Okay, why don't you tell us about yourself?
34, single, never married, looking for a career in acting.
What sort of movies do you like?
Paranormal, Titanic,
Who's your favorite actress?
Sissy Spacek,
Who's your favorite actor?
uh, Harrison Ford.
What kind of books do you like?
True crime, mostly.
What colors do you like wearing the most?
Tan and white.
Do you have any experience in this type of role?
No, I don't. Life experience count?
Okay, sounds good. All right, now that they're gone, I can ask you.
Okay. Go ahead.
Do you think you're good looking?
No.
Are you vain?
Absolutely not vain.
Do you lie?
Sometimes. Little ones.
Would you steal?
No.
Do you do any type of illegal drugs?
Absolutely not.
How is your sex life?
Like the Sahara Desert?
Are you under medical supervision?
No.
Okay, I've heard enough. Now the next guy's going to come and ask you something else.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
can you tell me your full name?
Daniel Johnson.
Do you have any medical conditions that we need to know about?
No?
How have you been feeling in the last week?
Uh, Tired. Stressful. You know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, we heard about you from a friend. Have you heard anything new?
I haven't heard anything new.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
We'll call you if we're interested.